Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going? So I'm going to do a quick video here about doing some boiled chicken. All right, so from memory, I've got a few cloves of garlic crushed, a whole onion, a whole carrot, some rosemary, salt and pepper, like 2 teaspoons of salt, and I've got several chicken thighs, I believe they're called, in there. And I'm gonna cook it for at least half an hour to an hour, probably more like an hour. Once it gets nice and hot and boils, I'm gonna put it on simmer and then check it internally with a thermometer in the end to make sure it's cooked. Very, very simple to do, very tasty. I normally serve it with a bit of soy sauce like we had in Singapore. It's really nice. And yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. All we've got to do now is wait and cook. Hope that helps. Oh, and I also put in a nice drop of olive oil on top, as you can see. Probably would have been a good idea to put a couple of potatoes in there, but I don't have any, so it's going to have to be like that. I'm not sure if I mentioned as well that when I was cooking it, like when I started, I put in a vegetable stock cube. Okay, you could probably put a chicken stock cube in there, but I've got a vegetable one. I'm not sure what was the other thing I was going to say. Oh yeah, so when you put the chicken in and the vegetables in, make sure you cover the chicken with water by about 2 centimeters or about an inch. Yeah. So, and the 2 teaspoons of salt for that kind of amount of water, which have about, I think it's about 6 pieces of chicken, was correct. It's like the salt is perfect with that extra stock cube. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this. Ciao. So I'm just kind of serving it with a little bit of basmati rice, you see there. And I've got it a lot of broth in there because it's really good for you, and I need the fluid actually. So that's how I'm finally serving it. There's a lot more chicken in the pot and a lot more rice, but I've kind of got it liquid. Very, very simple. I think it took roughly an hour in total. So it's 12:15. I think I started about 11:30. So what's that, 45 minutes. So it doesn't take a long time. It's really simple and really tasty. I just put a splash of this in here. It's a really nice soy sauce, probably called light soy sauce in the world. Hope that helps. Bon appetito to me and everybody else. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Class dismissed. Teacher Sal out. Ciao.